Hello, so you're welcome as you work out such an amazing maths problem within the shortest time possible. So we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 40. So let's now start with the solution. So on the solution to this maths problem, we need to factorize it. So when you factorize the maths problem, now we shall now have 4 to the power of x, then into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. Then from there now we shall now work out the number that is inside the bracket. That is now 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 40. So we shall now have to divide both sides by 2. So that means that now here divide by 2, then also this side divide by 2. So that now 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So that now we shall now have it as now 4 to the power of x is equals to, so 2 here once, 2 into 40 is 20 is equals to 20. So for us to work out this maths problem very fast, we need to introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 20. So from there, assuming that we have, for example, the log of, let's say, the log of p to the power of m, so these are now can be written as m, the log of p. So that means that now instead of having is at the log of 4 to the power of x, we shall now have it as x, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 20. So next now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this other side by the log of 4. So from there now we shall now move straight and say that, so let's now complete working it out on this other end. So we shall agree and have it as, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now our value for x is equals to the log of 20, then all over the log of 4. So in this case now we shall now have to factorize this maths problem completely, because here is where most of people usually make a mistake. So x now can also be written as the log of 20. We can have it as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So x now can also be written as, so we shall now have it as the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So next, now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4. So here now we shall now have it as by saying that, just a minute, so we shall now have it as, so x is equals to, so here now we shall now have the log of 4 divide by the log of 4, then plus log 5 all over the log of 4. So now the value for x in this case is equals to log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so x is 1 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So when you simplify this maths problem very fast, we shall now remain with our final answer for the value of x is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So these are now qualifies to be our maths answer. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.